So dear, here is the exercise 6.2 and question number 1. Using number lines, tell that 3 more than 5, it is how much? Okay. So now first of all we will make a number line. Here you can see that this is the number line, and in this number line the numbers are given here positive numbers. So you will represent most of the numbers positive and some numbers negative also. So here question says that 3 more than 5. So what to do in this question? First of all, you will search, you will observe where is 5 in the number line. So you can see that this is the position of plus 5 on the number line. Okay. First step is, question says that 3 more than 5. It means you observe where is plus 5. So you can see this one is the plus 5. After that question says that 3 more, and the meaning of more in the mathematics is plus. So you add 3 in this 5, means you can count. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So this is your requirement. What you will get here? 8. So this is your answer. Means you will write your answer 3 more than 5 is 8. You will got here 8. So your answer is 8. Finally you will write here it is 8. And in the generally you can see that 5 plus 3. How much? This is again 8. So this is by calculation, but no need to write this. Question says only you use the number line. So you will use this step only and write the answer. But if you want to check, then you can see this. Okay. So this is the solution of this question. And let us more question here. Yes dear. Once again you see, this is the second question, that is B part. 5 more than minus 5. So what to do for this question? Okay. You can see first one, minus 5, where is represented on the number line. So you can see where is minus 5. Minus 5, this is the position. So you will mark a circle here. This is the minus 5. And the question says that 5 more. 5 more. So you will start the stepping. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what you will get here?
0.
It is 0. So it means 5 more than minus 5 is 0. And also you can check this by the calculation 5 plus minus 5. And you can see here, this is the positive number, this is the negative number. So the result will be 0. As if you have 5 topies and I take over 5 topies all, then what is the remaining for you? Only 0, nothing. So it is 0. So this is the answer of this question. I think that the concept is clear.
Yes, sir.
In all the students.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Here is the D part. Again using number line. Tell 3 less than minus 2. How much? So dear, you will observe first one here. This is the minus. Where is the minus 2? Minus 2 represented by the number line is where? This is the minus 2. So first of all, you will mark a circle here. that this is the -2. And question says that 3 less. And the meaning of the less in the mathematics is minus. What? Minus. Means you will go to left hand side on the number line. But if here is more, it means you will go to right hand side on the number line. So here is the less. Less means you will go to the left side on the number line, means this is the left side, left hand side, and this one is the right hand side. So for more you will move to right hand side, and for less you will move to left hand side. So here is -2, and how much is 3? 3 less than -2. So this one is the position of -2. After that you step in 3, that is 1, 2, and here is -5, that is 3. 1, 2, and 3. So this is the position. What you will get here? -5. So this is the final position. So you will write here 3 less than -2 is -5. Okay, correct? You can check this also. This -2 and less means -5 or 3. So you will get what? See here. This is -2 and -3. If you will get the same sign, then your result will be negative, because ये minus 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 ही रहना है. And 2 and 3 you will add here. How much you will get? 5. Why 5? आपके पास क्या था मुझे पता नहीं. मैंने आपसे पहले 2 एप्पल्स ले लिए. कितने ले लिए? 2. उसके बाद मैंने 3 एप्पल्स और ले लिए. तो टोटल हमने कितने एप्पल ले लिए? 5 ले लिए. अब लिए हैं, लेने को मैथ्स में क्या कहेंगे? माइनस. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा -5. इसी तरह से अगर हम आपको देते हैं, मैंने आपको पहले 3 एप्पल्स दिए, देने का मतलब मैथ्स में प्लस, और फिर इसके बाद 4 और दे दिए, 3 दिए, फिर 4 दिए. तो अब आपके पास हो गए कितने? 7 एप्पल्स हो गए. ठीक है ना? तो आपके पास क्या हो रहा है? बढ़ रहा है. तो बढ़ने को मैथ्स में क्या बोलेंगे? प्लस. और अगर हम आपसे लेते जा रहे हैं तो माइनस. आपके पास कुछ बच नहीं रहा है, कम हो रहा है. कम होने का मतलब है माइनस. मीन्स आपके पास मान लीजिए पहले मैंने 2 चॉकलेट्स ले ली और फिर 3 और ले ली, तो हमने टोटल कितनी ले ली? 5. तो वो प्लस तो हो गया, लेकिन मैंने ली हैं, तो आपके पास क्या हो गई? कम हो गई. कम होने का मतलब मैथ्स में क्या बोलेंगे? कम होने का माइनस. सो यू विल मार्क हियर माइनस. So every time keep in your mind or remember that if you will get the same sign, then you will add the number and mark the same sign. That is, here is minus, so you will mark the minus. But if here is plus, this is also. If this is plus, so you will mark here plus sign, and again you will add y, because this is the same sign. जब भी सेम साइन आपको मिलेगा तो आप उसको क्या करेंगे? ऐड करेंगे. और साइन कौन सा लगाएंगे? जो भी वहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंटेड है, जो भी यहाँ आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
So how can you act? How can you do? How can you reply the answer? So first of all, here first integer is 9. So you will observe where is 9 in this number line. So this one is 9, correct? Am I correct? This is the 9. So you will mark a circle on this 9. After that, question says that plus and minus 6. So here is negative number. Okay? Negative means in which side you will go?
Left side.
Left side. You will move left side on this number line from the number line. So by stepping you will move first, after that second, after that third, and next one is 4, and next one is 5, and after that 6. So what you will get here?
3.
3. It means the result of 9 plus minus 6 is equal to 3. So you will write here finally 9 plus minus 6 is equal to 3. But if we write here plus, then what to do in this case? Then you will move to
Right side.
right side. And how many steps? Again 6. If you move 6 steps to the right side, then what you will get the final result? Well, 15, correct. And if we write here minus 3, then what you will get the result? See once again. Here is 3, 9, and this one is minus 3. Okay. अच्छे से देखिए और फिर बताइए सब लोग कि इसका आंसर क्या होना है. Because this sign is minus, you will move to left side. So by stepping, this is first, second, and third. So the result is clear, 6. And if we write here 1 only, then what is the result? 8. And if we write here plus 1, 10 means you will move to right hand side only one step. If here is the next numbers on the number line 10 and 11, so you will move to one step only because the number integer is 1. Okay? Clear?